Hi YouTubers, it's George. I'm in the motorhome, and firstly I would like to thank all the best wishes I've had from people and people keeping fingers crossed for the MOT. Herb passed its MOT. Two very small advisories. One was cracked rubber donuts that hold the exhaust on. Bearing in mind it's only a short while since I've done the exhaust, so the new ones are pretty rubbish. And the other thing was there's a brake pipe adapter thing in the driver's side wheel arch which has got slight corrosion and rust on it, but it's no problem, the chap said. It will need to do something in the future, maybe next year sort of thing. Yeah, so really chuffed. So now I'm going to start getting the fridge out, because one thing we were talking about is updating this fridge. It's the original fridge that was in the motorhome. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. We've had trouble with the thermostat. Obviously the van needs to be level. It's had gas problems where the exhaust from it has not been connected properly. So today I'm going to start to take it out, because also I want to have a look underneath to see if there's any sign of mice being in. Now the deterrent, I've moved it out of the way for the time being, was sitting on the floor and the other one under the bonnet. But I asked if they work. Well, I think they do. They work in the fact that they do generate the noise. I've done it on a sound level meter, and they do produce ultrasonic sound and flash lights. It won't stop them coming in, but I think they come in the van and then they wander around it, and because there's so much noise they decide not to make a home here and clear off again. And I think that's what's happened, because we have some food in the cupboards and they're not been chewed. The packets are only thin plastic and they've not been chewed, and I haven't found any mouse nests or anything, so unless they're under the fridge. And I'll just show you this fridge here. This grill here was fitted by me. It's radiator covers. The original plastic grill here was brittle and deteriorated, and so was the one at the bottom. So this is like house radiator cover, and I'm going to take that off and then see what holds this fridge in, as I've never had one of these out before. Now I installed some additional indicator lamps to do with the fridge, and these are simply to give an indication if the fridge was working, and these change colour from one to the other when the thermostat is operated on main, so I know that the thermostat clicks on and off. These colours change, they go from the green to red, and these are the 12 volt lights which give an indication that there's power of 12 volt getting to the fridge. I've no idea how this all comes apart. There's got to be some sort of bracket holding this fridge in, but I'm not sure how it comes out. Well, I think I've discovered how it's mounted. From in here there was two long screws, these, which went through this wood into the side wall. This corner lifts now, so I'm assuming there's two screws coming in from the back, from the outside. So I'll shut that and I'll see if I can find out where they are. I've took the end cover off here. There's a piece of new wood been fitted over the top by me, and there's a screw there and a screw there, and they go into the fridge in the side. Looks like they're coming out quite easily. Well, we don't have a fridge anymore. It's gone. Dismantled. Taken away. There's a gas pipe. Let's have a quick look in there, see what I can see.